Okay, so we've got a company sponsored sport event wants to spray paint this logo, and the logo is in the shape of a semicircle on top of the trapezium. If you look at the diagram, there's not many lengths there.
Please can the following newspapers come to reception immediately? Sean.
Okay, so if we read, we can see there's the lengths given in the question which aren't on the diagram, so it's important to read as well as just look at the diagram. So AB is 10, so that's 10 metres there, and CD is 16 metres. So I've now got all the dimensions I need for the area of the trapezium. So if I go back to the front of the sheet, I can see the area of the trapezium is half of A plus B, that's the two parallel sides, that's the 10 and the 16, times by the H, which is the distance between them, which is 4. So let's do that trapezium first. So the area of the trapezium is a half of A plus B, 10 plus 16, times H, distance between them, which is 4. So I calculate that. That's equal to 52, and the units for area are square meters. That's the trapezium, and we need the area of the semicircle. Well, all the way across there is 10, so the diameter is 10, so the radius of that circle from there to there is half of 10, which is 5 meters. So if I find the area of the circle, do the whole circle first, that's pi r squared. So that's 3.14 times, and the radius is 5, so that's 5 squared. £78.5. That's if it was a whole circle. So because it's a semicircle, I'm going to go half of that area. So the area of the semicircle is 78.5 divided by 2. That's 39.25. So the total area of the logo is 52 of the trapezium plus the semicircle. And that's 91.25 square meters. Okay, the company bought enough paint to cover an area of 125. What percentage of paint will be required to cover the area? Okay, so obviously we've got more than enough paint here. This is how much I'm covering. That's how much I've got enough to cover from the tin. So the percentage of that paint I'm going to use, so the percentage of paint used, the fraction is 91.25 out of 125, and then to percentage it, I times it by 100. And that's 73%.